Welcome back to Cursed Mining, and today we are talking about crypto debit cards. Sorry that you have to hear my voice in sick mode, but I want to feature some videos in which I show how I use or cash out crypto, and today marks the start of that. So what is a crypto debit card? They are mostly Visa or Mastercards, depending on who the company in question is partnered with. You can then top up your balance with crypto and exchange or spend directly. So not a classical credit card, you can only spend what you have. Here we have big differences. For once, there are the cards which directly exchange the crypto into the currency of the card once you send it there. Then there are cards where you have internal wallets and can exchange between them. I personally prefer the latter because I can exchange the values when I choose and not the other way around. But still, even though this means I have wallets with my credit card company, I only use them for what I want to spend and not as storage for hodling crypto. So it's hard to do a video like this without mentioning specific company names. As you've seen, as a crypto owner for some time, one gets a small collection of these, since companies have been coming and going. Also, there was a time when Visa suddenly didn't want to work with any crypto affiliation anymore. So these things might happen again, be aware of that. Still, I'll mention what still works for me and what I'm using. There are referral links for these in the description, but besides that, I'm not affiliated with the shown services. I'm mentioning them because I'm using them myself. So for a standard crypto debit card, I really like Virex or VireX. It's a UK-based company offering a Visa debit card. Internally, you have multiple crypto wallets, for example Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Waves and some others, and you can exchange between them. Then you have either a euro or dollar wallet, and this is what you can spend with your cards. I'd say the fees are okay, and at least in my case these cards are much cheaper than what our Austrian banks offer. If you want to take the thing a whole step further, I would recommend Revolut to you. Revolut don't only offer a crypto debit card, they offer a whole online bank account for you, so you can easily make IBAN transfers which you still funded with your crypto. Honorable mention here is also Batouala, which I've used in the past for my IBAN crypto transfers. They are rebuilding right now and also offer debit card and bank account. So this was a general overview of some services I use to use or cash out crypto. That's not everything I do, of course, so we will have another episode on this topic soon. By the way, as a channel situated in the European Union, I'm not allowed to give you any tax advice, but just mind that solutions like these are of course not as anonymous or at least synonymous as crypto often can be, so be aware of that. Mind your own country's regulations to not get any problems. Also, I do have to state that according to my own philosophy, these devices are not ideal, rather a short-term solution. That is because we are basically spending crypto through old structures. Still, if you need a way to quickly cash out or start to take over some of your daily expenses with crypto, these cards are a genius starting point. That's already it. Please subscribe for weekly crypto and tech content and tell me what you would like to see. I wish all the best to each and every one of you. Happy mining and bye!